y'all. We got a 1959 Corvette here. Man, could you imagine back in 59 rolling this thing right here? Look where the exhaust tips come out. Oh yeah, she's 4 on the floor too. True American sports car from 1959.